7:15 in the morning. This is music coming from Summer Walker. Come Through. It features Usher. I know a good song when I hear one. Jeremy waiting it before this. Kanye West, All Falls Down with Selena Johnson. So I want to be not saying this is Breakfast with a Bang. It's a family show. I always say this. If you don't like family, hey, be careful. Be careful. You won't like this one here. I'm the tallest DJ in the game. And today I've got another family question. No? This happens to the best of us. And this kind of sningi. Agona into esihlelayo kodwa into esisithola esingxenye yayo abaningi nje kakhulukazi in this country, male and female. So the question is, can you still be a good parent if ingane yakho ingakhuliswa wena ikhuliswa omunye umuntu? And ungenza kanjani ukuthi kube njalo? Talk to me from experience. If you have maybe had this kind of seed whereby ukhulisa ingane yakho kodwa ayihlali nawe, you don't get isikhathi sanele ukuhlala nayo, build experiences, build memories with them, but then mhlambe you are hands-on in many ways. It could be emotionally, you know, because abanye bathi akubalekile kangako. Well, kubalekile, but sometimes being emotionally present can supersede being physically present in your child's life. So this is a question to bonke nje abazali abanengane abangayikhulisi bona. Mhlawumbe ingane ekhuliswa ugogo, ingane ekhuliswa auntie, nanny, mamdala, mamncane. We see these things happen each and every day. It's because of work. Ngoba mhlambe ama arrangements aphoqa ngoba nisathandani no baba wengane noma wengane. Isimo sokuhlala nje. Yeah, that's just it. Ngifisa ukwazi kuwena, can you still be a good parent? And if you are a good parent, give advice to young men out there, give advice to young women out there, to other people abazoyibona besesimeni sinjenge sakho. But I know ukuthi as we have this discussion corner, abazothungala ngaphakathi abasho ukuthi ukuba bekuya ngami ngabe ingane yami ikhuliswa yimi, kuba kuya ngami ngabe I'm with my children every day. But then it's not the case, eh? Ngaziseke ku 0737091991 086 1010 300 yona ndaba enkulu engikuphathela yona this morning right here on Vuma FM.
Indaba enkulu on Breakfast with a Bang.
Nangu ke uShakina uthi Sponko uhamba noYoungStar. Hey, warning, nombano umculi. Makuthi ufuna ukwenza album iyeke, share phansi leyo nto leyo ngoba uYoungStar uzokhipha album. Every musician out there, please, no albums this year. Thank you.
Obuthando lwakho lungeka khona